Alright class, today we're going to learn about the different types of matter and how we can describe and classify them as solids, liquids, and gases. Everything around us is made of matter, but not all matter is the same. We can tell the difference by looking at its physical properties. Let's explore what makes a solid, a liquid, and a gas special, and how we can tell them apart based on how they behave. Let's start with solids. Solids are easy to recognize because they have a definite shape. That means they keep their shape no matter what. If you pick up a solid object like a rock or a pencil, it will look the same and keep the same shape no matter where you put it. The particles inside solids are packed tightly together, and that's why solids feel firm and don't change shape. For example, your desk is a solid because it has a shape that stays the same. Even if you move the desk to another spot in the room, it doesn't change its shape, it's still a desk. Now let's talk about liquids. Liquids are different from solids because they don't have a definite shape. Instead, liquids take the shape of the container they're in. That means if you pour a liquid into a cup, it will look like the shape of the cup, but if you pour it into a bowl, it will take the shape of the bowl. However, liquids do have a definite volume, meaning the amount of liquid stays the same even though its shape changes. Think of water, juice, or milk. These are all examples of liquids. If you pour water from a bottle into a glass, the water changes shape to fit the glass, but the amount of water stays the same. Finally, we have gases. Gases are even more different. Like liquids, gases don't have a definite shape, but they also don't have a definite volume. Gases will spread out and fill the entire space of whatever container they're in. For example, the air we breathe is made of gases. You can't see it, but it's all around us, filling the room. If you blow up a balloon, the air inside fills the shape of the balloon, but if you let the air out, it spreads everywhere. The particles in gases are much farther apart than in solids or liquids, which is why gases can expand to fill any space. To help us remember how these types of matter behave, let's do a quick review. Solids have a definite shape and keep that shape. Liquids take the shape of their container but have a definite volume. Gases don't have a definite shape or volume and will spread out to fill any space they're in. Now that we know how to describe and classify solids, liquids, and gases, we can explore more examples around the classroom. Look around. Can you find examples of solids, liquids, and gases? We can even test some different samples of matter and see how they behave. We can see if they keep their shape like a solid, flow like a liquid, or fill up space like a gas. It's going to be fun discovering the different ways matter exists around us.